It's just a bruise. I fell down in the kitchen. He didn't mean to. He would never put his hands on me. We've heard all the excuses. These are the facts. National statistics show that 1 in 4 women will experience domestic violence during her lifetime. Both men and women can be victims of domestic violence, but by far, the majority of survivors are women. And our children? Child abuse coexists with domestic violence in up to 70% of violent households. So what can we do? Speak up before it's too late. The Center Against Domestic Violence organization are transforming lives, working towards a violent-free society, and helping to provide victims with education and prevention programs to bring back safe, healthy lives. So we urge you, seek the help you need. It's only a phone call away. Please call the emergency hotline at 718-439-1000 because no one should have to suffer alone.